MashaAllah. MashaAllah. Okay. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Alhamdulillahi nahmaduhu wa nasta'inuhu wa nastaghfiruhu wa nu'minu bihi wa natawakkalu alayhi wa na'udhu billahi min shururi anfusina wa min sayyiati a'malina. Man yahdihillahu fala mudilla lahu wa man yudlilhu fala hadiya lahu. Wa nashhadu an la ilaha illallah wahdahu la sharika lahu. Wa nashhadu anna sayyidana Muhammadan abduhu wa rasuluhu. Amma ba'd. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم سبحانك لا علم لنا إلا ما علمتنا إنك أنت العليم الحكيم رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقهوا قولي رب يسر ولا تؤثر وتمم بالخير اللهم علمنا ما ينفعنا وانفعنا بما علمتنا وزدنا علما. I'd like to welcome all of you with Islamic greeting. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. May the peace and blessing of Allah be on all of you. Now, tonight's topic is lesson number 9, 10, and 11. Our classroom teacher, Ustada Humaira, and she's doing the first 3 lessons for module 1. And I will be in the background, and Ustad Principal Dr. Mahmoud will also be in the background. And Ustad Humaira will run the class for 45 minutes, and then we will have some question and answer, and then Ustad Mahmoud will take over. During the class, please keep mute and do not show your videos, and also keep silence during the class. Unless you have any question, please raise your hand. Unless Ustada has any question, she will ask to respond. So then you can unmute and answer the questions. I'd like to welcome our Ustada Humara. Please share your document and start the class.
Assalamu alaikum, Ustad. I have already shared. Can everyone see my screen?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
Respected Principal, Dr. Mahmoud, all the Ustads, Ustadas, and the students of Al-Qur'an Institute, Assalamu alaikum, rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. After the beautiful dua by Ustad, let us start the lesson. We are all ready, and we have appealed to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to help us, and inshallah ta'ala, Allah is going to enlighten all of us here. Ameen. So now, today we are going to start the lesson 9 of module 1. In your previous lesson, lesson 8, you all have learned about the properties of nouns. You know, how do we identify a noun? So we identify noun with the 4 properties. That's what we have gone through lesson 8, which said that if noun should have Iraab, a noun should have Qasamun, a noun should have number, that is Adadun, and a noun should have gender, Jinsun. After that introductory class where you learned that how to identify a noun, let us discuss a little more and try to learn more about the properties of a noun. How do we identify that a certain word in Arabic language is noun? Let us go to the first property, that is the Iraab. We mentioned in earlier that in order to understand Quranic Arabic grammar fully, it is essential to learn the 4 properties of the ism or noun. And the first of it is Iraab, second is type, Qasamun, third is Adadun, number, and fourth is gender, Jinsun. And Iraab, the status varies according to their function or role in a sentence. We shall study these in detail later on in the class. Iraab. Arabic nouns have 3 types of endings which are marked by 3 vowels. So the ending of a word or a noun can have a fatha, it can have a kasra, or it can have a dhamma. So these are the three possible endings that a noun can have. Three endings of a noun, the vowel sign and the last letter of the noun. And they are called dhamma, fatha, and kasra. And the examples are given here. If the ending is dhamma, how would the words look? Let us see some examples of dhamma ending. The word is kitabun. And now with dhamma, let us see what are examples. Al-kitabu, kitabun, Muhammadun, al-babu, babun. See in the red letter is the last letter, and we are watching the haraka only on the last letter. We are not talking about the haraka on other letters. We are watching the haraka on the last letter, and it is either one dhamma or dhammatain. So here it is one dhamma, these are dhammatains and dhamma, and then again dhammatain. So this is dhamma ending, and it is called rafa also, and it can be is said to be in marfu state. Let us go to the next example where a word or a noun can end in fatah. The same words, al-kitabu over there is now ending in fatha side. Al-kitaba, kitaban, Muhammadan, al-baba, baban. Look at the last letter and the haraka on it. So here it is fatha, fatatain, fatatain, fatha, fatatain. So when you have a fatha, the Iraab is called to be in mansub state or nasab state. Let us look at the third kind of ending, where a word or a noun can end with a kasra sign. The examples are al-kitabi, kitabin, Muhammadin, al-babi, babin. So here you see kasra, kasratain, kasratain, kasra, kasratain. Iraab is the haraka on the last letter of the ism. This you all need to remember, that Iraab is the haraka on the last letter. You have to check only the last letter for that. According to their endings, they are given different Iraab status. For example, if the ism ends with dhamma, then its Iraab is called marfu state. In short, rafa. For example, if the ism ends with fatha, then its Iraab is called mansub state. In short, nasab. And third one, if the ism ends with kasra, then its Iraab is called majroor. After listening to all that, you must be wondering why the same word has been given ending sometimes in dhamma, sometimes in fatha, and sometimes in kasra. It is because the nouns have different roles to play in sentence. They cannot be doing the same role all the time. Sometimes they are subject, sometimes it is object, and sometimes they are in the murakkab form, or sometimes they are followed by jar majroor, by a huruf jar. So if the role of the ism changes, the haraka on the last letter also changes. Taking the example of the first, al-kitabu, the dhamma ending, when a noun acts like a subject in a sentence, like, for example, Muhammad is an ideal person. So it is acting like a file. It is the subject of the sentence. When a word acts like a subject, it will take Dhamma. And when does it take Fatha? When it acts like an object. He put the book on he placed the book on the table. No, I'm saying he hit the boy. So the boy becomes object, and then it takes Fatha. And kasra is when it follows huruf jar, or it is in a murakkab idafa state, when it is mudaf ilayh state. This we are going to learn in the future lessons, but this is just an introduction to show you that there is a reason why the status changes, why the haraka on the last letter changes. There is always a reason, because it has different roles to play in a sentence. Now, we will take the questions at the end of all the lessons, I think.
Inshallah. Before you go to the next lesson, Ustad Muhammad, do you want to say anything? Just the purpose of this lesson, Ustad, and it's very simple. Ustad, do you want to do that, or shall I cover that? Mr. Muhammad?
Yeah. Sorry, what was the question? I was
just before she goes to the next lesson.
Yeah.
Just to sum up.
Yeah.
The purpose of this lesson, inshallah.
Yes, of course. Yeah. So, alhamdulillah, our Ustad beautifully explained the importance. I've already explained this last week or this week rather, on Monday, the importance of ITNG. Now, Iraab is so important that when we are reading Qurans, if we cannot identify the Iraabs, then we are struggling. That's why we need to understand the Iraab. Now, Iraabs in as Ustad explained, sometimes it's, Al-Kitabu, Kitabun, Muhammadun, Al-Baitu, or Babun, etc., etc. So, Dhamma, Fatha, and Kasra. It is important that we learn the way the Iraab status plays itself in the role of a sentence. And that's why we're going through this Iraab status. And the next lesson will be types, which is Kasanu. And then the next lesson will be numbers, which is the third properties of nouns. So these four properties of nouns, we must understand clearly. And if we have any questions, please ask them after the class, and we will answer your concern. And that's all I need to say about the Iraab status, actually.
Yeah, I'll just add one or 2 points, mashallah. Brothers and sisters, Iraab is important. What Iraab does, it tells us what role it is playing in the sentence. Is it a subject's role, or object's role, or majroor role? Most commonly, say, min came before Allahu. When min comes before Allahu, Allahu will become majroor, means take kasra. So min Allahi, okay? Min Allahi, min al-kitabi. Okay, so Iraab tells us what role it is playing. When the ism has got Dhamma at the end, haraka Dhamma, then the Iraab is called marfu, or in short, rafa. If it's the playing of an object, the Iraab would be mansub, in short, nasab. And when it has got kasra at the end, the Iraab will be majroor or jar. You need to remember this. This is the takeaway, my brothers and sisters. Okay? Dhamma makes the Iraab. What does it make, brothers and sisters? Can you write it down on the chat box, please, quickly? Quickly. When Dhamma ending is there, what is the Iraab called? Write it down quickly. Chat box. Okay, good. Mashallah, mashallah. And when the last haraka is fatha of an ism, the Iraab will be called? Okay, write it down.
Nasab and Mansub.
Nasab or Mansub. Mashallah. Very good. Everyone, please. Just this is the main takeaway of the whole page, whole chapter. And if the ism is ending with kasra ending, then the Iraab will be called what?
Majroor and Jar or Jar.
Mashallah. That's the takeaway. Do not forget that. Okay? Mashallah. We can go to the next lesson.
Welcome back to the next lesson, type of noun. As I said, we are working or trying to learn the qualities of a noun. And we said ITNG, when we have to judge a word like detectives, word detectives. If you become a detective and then go to a sentence and want to see if it is a ism or a fail or a harf, what is the criteria for finding that it is a noun? We should have check for ITNG. If it follows ITNG, if you find all the four components, then it is a noun. So you would find out that it is, the word is a noun. We are coming now talking about the second property of a noun, which is type. In Arabic, we called it qasamun. We mentioned in earlier lesson that in order to understand Quranic grammar or Quranic Arabic grammar fully, it is essential to learn and understand the four properties of ism or noun. Iraab, qasamun, adadun, jinsun. In English, Iraab, type, number, and gender. And what is this lesson telling us? This lesson contains type of nouns. And then this is the second property of the noun. And there are two types, definite and indefinite. The definite noun is called the proper noun. And in Arabic, it is called marifa. Indefinite is also called common noun. And in Arabic, it is called nakira noun. For example, if I say a boy, it does not specify which boy. In this case, the boy is common, that is the nakira noun. A boy, a pen, a cow, or a book. It can be any book. It can be any boy in the school, any boy on the road. So when it does not specify a person, animal, thing, or an object, so then it becomes a common noun. But if I say the boy or I say Ahmad, this time I have specified the boy. So it will be labeled as proper noun, which in Arabic is called marifa noun. In Arabic language, by default, all the ism are common. They are nakira. But remember and note that common nouns may become proper, the marifa nouns. See some examples below. Common nouns, also known as indefinite nouns, are a pen, qalamun, baqaratun, a cow, madinatun, a city, kitabun, a book, rajulun, a man. And proper nouns, marifa nouns, also known as definite nouns, are the pen, al-khalamu, Muhammad, Muhammadun, Makkah, Makkatun, or the black stone, Al-Hajrul Aswadu. It is not an ordinary stone. It is the particular black stone. So then it becomes proper noun, the Marifa nouns. So what is the second property of a noun? Can somebody recall and recollect and tell me? What is the second property by which you identify an ism? Any of you can say. Unmute and say.
Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum salam.
It's the type of noun.
Mhm.
It may be, there are two types, we can divide it into two. One is the common noun, the other one is the proper noun. Common noun we call nakira and proper noun we call marifa.
Mhm.
What else?
Okay, I want somebody else to give me one example of a common noun and one example of a proper noun. Nakira and Marifa.
May I?
Yes, sure.
Nakira noun is common noun is kitabun or something without so nakira noun, and marifa noun is like Ahmad or the boy, al kitabu.
Very good.
Very good.
Very good. And can we convert some of the common nouns into proper nouns?
Yes, with alif lam,
Okay.
adding alif lam before nakira noun, we can convert nakira to marifa.
Mashallah. Well
Mashallah.
said.
There are three ways we can convert a nakira.
MashaAllah.
This is one step ahead.
Good.
Go ahead, sister.
One is by adding alif lam. The second one is by adding an attached pronoun.
Mhm.
The third one is by adding a proper noun.
Proper
Yeah.
noun is nakira.
Yeah. Very well said. But right now, this information is very good, if you know.
It's good.
Ustad, you want to add something?
No, mashallah.
No, you finish that and I'll revise all three of them.
Okay. Alhamdulillah, we are going to the third property of a noun, which is number. So while checking if a word is ism, we have to go to check and see the ing components. Here, we are now on the third one, which is numbers. There are three types of numbers: singular, dual, plural, in Arabic. So you see in English, there are only two, singular and plural. But in Arabic, we have additional added advantage. There is a special addition where you have the dual, which speaks about two persons, two things. Plural nouns in Arabic are commonly of two types: sound and or broken. Sound or unbroken and the broken. The sound one is called Jama Salim and the broken one is called Jama Mukassir or Jama'e Taksir. Remember, in English, we make nouns for most of the words by adding the letter, the alphabet. Yes, car, cars, boy, boys, house, houses. But sometimes all words do not follow the same rule, and there are certain weird kind of plurals over there too, like foot, feet, mouse, mice, goose, geese, tooth, teeth. So those are the irregular ones. Similarly, here too, we have the unbroken and the broken. The Jama Salim, Salim means solid, and Jama Mukassir, which is broken. Sound or unbroken plurals are named so because the original words remain unchanged, and for the dual form, ani and ina are added to the last letter of the singular nouns, and ina or una is added for the plural nouns. Muslim chart below is showing the unbroken plural Jamai Salim. The Muslim chart is essential to understand the Iraab case, indicating what role the noun plays in a sentence. The roles could be one of these example: fa'il, which is subject; maf'ul, which is object; harful jar, which is preposition; or mudafilay, relationship, the possessive relationship, the possessor and the possessed. So here, this table is very important, brothers and sisters. This everyone should learn by repeating it. First, let us go to the examples and talk about the different roles the words are playing in a sentence. We are doing the example separately. Look at the sentence. Muslims pray 5 times. Who are we talking about? We are talking about Muslims. So Muslims is the subject. It is the doer. It is the file. In Arabic, we say file. So since it is file, it is said to be in the rafa state. A word which acts as a subject or a file is always in the rafa status. Go to the next example and see. Muslims read Qur'an. So what do Muslims read? Muslims is the subject, reading is a verb, and what is Qur'an? Qur'an is the object. In Arabic, we see maf'ul to that, the object. And when we are speaking about the object, this word Qur'an, which is the object, will be represented in the nasab status. It will have a pata on it. Let us go to the third example. Many scientists in old days were from Muslims. So this word Muslims, which is highlighted, is following from. From is a preposition. You have already done a little bit of huruf jar in the earlier lesson. So in Arabic, the word from translation is min. So it would be, the word Muslims would be in the jar status. Minal Muslimin. Because it is following the preposition. So this was just the examples. Now let us go to this table. The examples are different, and the table which you have to memorize is here. Muslimun, when it first sentence is all the words in rafa state. When a subject, when a word is the fa'il, if it is singular, Muslimun. If it is dual, it is Muslimani. If it is plural, it is Muslimuna. So it is Muslimun, Muslimani, Muslimuna. But if a word in a sentence is an object, it will be in nasab state. It will have a fatha ending. And if it is one person, Musliman, 2 people, 2 men, Muslimaini, and many, Muslimina. And when it is following a huruf jar, or if it is a mudafile in the possessive phrase, then it will be in, it will have a kasra into the last letter. So it is one Muslim, Muslimin, 2 Muslimaini, Muslimina. But there is a little similarity here. You see the dual and plural in the dual and the plural in the case of nasab and jar, they are the same. But there would be other indicators in the sentences which will tell you if it is in nasab state or jar state, that And that knowledge would be in the subsequent lessons. Right now, it would be too much for you, but there would certainly be indicators in the sentences which will tell you if the word is in the nasab or the jar state. So, Muslimun, Muslimani, Muslimuna, Musliman, Muslimaini, Muslimina, Muslimin, Muslimaini, Muslimina. This is for the masculine, the muzakkar chart. Similarly, let us go to the feminine chart. The word feminine is exhibited by the presence of ta marbuta at the end, the ta here. One Muslim woman. So if it is in rafa state, Muslimatun, two women, Muslimatani, many women, Muslimatin. When it is in nasab state, one is Muslimatan, Muslimataini, Muslimatin. If it is in jar status, Muslimatin, Muslimataini, Muslimatin. So this is the masculine and the feminine state. We need to repeat that. Can you repeat with me, please? Repeat after me. Muslimun, Muslimani, Muslimuna.
Muslimun,
Muslimun, Muslimani, Muslimina.
Musliman, Muslimaini, Muslimina.
Muslimani, Muslimina.
Muslimina.
MashaAllah. In the jar, Muslimin, Muslimaini, Muslimina.
Muslimin, Muslimaini, Muslimina.
Now let us do it a little fast. Muslimun, Muslimani, Muslimuna.
Muslimun,
Muslimani, Muslimuna.
Musliman, Muslimaini, Muslimina.
Musliman, Muslimaini, Muslimina.
Muslimin, Muslimaini, Muslimina.
Muslimin,
Muslimaini, Muslimina.
MashaAllah. Let us go to the feminine table. Muslimatun, Muslimatani, Muslimatun.
Muslimatun, Muslimatani, Muslimatun.
Nasab state. Muslimatan, Muslimataini, Muslimatin.
Muslimatan, Muslimataini, Muslimatin.
Muslimatin.
Jar state. Muslimatin, Muslimataini, Muslimatin.
Muslimatin,
Muslimatin.
Now a little faster pace. Muslimatun, Muslimatani, Muslimatun.
Muslimatun, Muslimatani, Muslimatin.
Muslimatin, I'm sorry. Muslimatan, Muslimataini, Muslimatin.
Muslimatan, Muslimataini, Muslimatin.
Jar state. Muslimatin, Muslimataini, Muslimatin.
Muslimatin,
Muslimatin.
Now we have done it collectively, and maybe later Ustad will ask you to do it individually. Let's go to broken plurals, which are called Jama'i Mukassir. They are as follows. In this type of plural form, the dual is made by adding ani and ina to the last letter of the singular noun, the same as the sound plural. As I told you, these are irregular broken plurals, and there would be a detailed lesson on this in module 2. But right now, here there are not solid rules of how to make the plurals, but the dual and the dual is made by adding ani and ina, kitabun, and its plural is kutubun. But here the dual is made by adding kitabani and then kitabaini, kitabaini. Some examples are rasulun, rusulun, dinun, adyanun, ainun, ayunun, and ainun, oyunun. One is one of the word means here eyes, and the other means fountain. And similarly, we have other words like nafsun, anfusun, ruhun, arwahun, halbun, khulubun. So those are called broken plurals. They are called broken because we insert other words and other letters in between. That's why they are called broken plurals. Let us revise and see what we learned here. We said that there are 3 types of numbers, that is singular, dual, and plural. And among the plurals are 2 types, sound or unbroken, Jamai Salim, and the broken ones, Jamai Mukassir, or it is also called Jamai Taksir. And we have the Muslim chart, which holds a very important place in learning Arabic language. So this is the first step to memorize this chart. If there are any questions, you can ask me, or Ustad will.
Yeah, Ustad Muhammad possibly will.
Yeah. Are you finished, Ustada?
Yes.
Okay.
Alhamdulillah.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Students, how did you find our Ustada's lessons tonight? First questions.
It was wonderful. She explained everything very nicely.
MashaAllah. Good, yes. She's very experienced. Alhamdulillah. Ustada, your beautiful lessons. Now then, I want to revise some of these things that Ustada has taught. How many of you understood the Muslim chart here? Muslim chart, broken, sound plural, Jama Salim, and broken plural, Jama Makassar. How many of you understood what it means? Can you put on the chat box? Or you can unmute yourself and talk to me.
Assalamu alaikum. I got the point, but for the moment, I think we have to go further to clear it. Some confusion is still there, but mashallah, the Ustada did very well. So better than, I don't know, when I do the YouTube and the PDF, I was more confused. Now a bit clear after she did it. Yeah, inshallah.
Okay. Now, you know, we're talking about 4 properties of noun, I, T, and G. Okay, Iraab was taught already, and this is numbers. It is type was also explained, and this is the 3rd properties of the noun, which is number. Now, numbers, there are 2 different ways you can identify. There are 2 different methods. Okay, one of the method already explained, which is by the haraka of the letter. If the last letter of the haraka, if it's Dhamma, then it's Marfu. If it's Fatha, then it's Mansub. And if it's Kasra, then it's Jar. So we understood that. All of you? I'm sure you understood that one. Now, this is the 2nd form of way to identify the Iraab, which is combination of letters, which is Muslimun, Muslimani, Muslimuna. You see, Muslimun is a nakira noun, and of course it's a singular. But when you say Muslimani, Mani, Mim, Alif, then Nun, Mani, that's dual. That's not singular anymore. And then when you say Muslimuna, that's plural. It's got una sound, una, wow, and nun, una. Okay, so here what Ustada is trying to explain to you, when you see Muslimun, that's singular. When you see Muslimani, that's dual. When you see Muslimuna, that's plural. And this is a Rafa case, Rafa status, okay? Then you got Nasab status, which is naturally is a Fatha, Musliman. Musliman is single. And then dual, Muslimaini. Then you got plural, Muslimina, Mina, Ina sound with Ya and Nun. You must learn this chart, whatever happens, you must be fluent and you must be able to say them with closed eyes, yeah? Then you've got jar status, Muslimin. It's a jar status. Mim's got kasratain. Can you see that? Mim's got kasratain here. I'm pointing here. I don't know whether you can see my pointer or not. So, Muslimin. Then dual is Muslimaini, Muslimina. The similarities here between Nasab and Jar, they're both same, dual and plural. But how will you identify in the Quran? Of course you will. We are going to teach you how to identify them. We will demonstrate them for you. So you will know when it is Nasab and when it is Jar, okay? So that was your Muslim chart, Jama Salim, okay? And then you got the feminine version, which is, Ustada, can you raise it up a bit for me? The PDF lesson, raise up. Ustada Humaira? Yeah, go up a bit. Ustada Humaira, can you hear me? Ustada? Okay, so then you've got broken plural for feminine version, okay, which is Muslimatun. You can see it's ending with tun. Ustada Humara, can you hear me?
Yes,
Can you raise the PDF up a bit?
I did.
No, we can't see the Muslim chart, the feminine version.
It is there on the, I have already said it.
Okay, that's it. Good. Okay,
Yeah.
thank you. So you can see the feminine version, Muslimatun. Masculine was Muslim, Muslimun, and here feminine version is Muslimatun, and then dual is Muslimatani, and then plural is Muslimatun, Matun, Atun, ending with Atun, and dual is in Muslimatin. Okay, then Nasab is Muslimatan, Muslimataini, Muslimatin, and Jar is Muslimatin, Muslimataini, Muslimatin. Now, I want to test some of you who is the clever students here. Before you come to class, have you read the PDF? Have you watched the YouTube video? And can you, if we hide this, would you be able to say these both chart, please, for me? Who can do that? Ustada Umara, can you hide this for me? Good.
Yes, I can do that, inshallah.
Can you? Okay.
Muslimun, this is a male chart.
Yeah.
Muslimun, Muslimani, Muslimuna. This is Rafa status. Nasab status will be Musliman, Muslimaini, Muslimina, and Jar status is Muslimin, Muslimaini, Muslimaini.
No, Muslimina.
Oh, sorry, Muslimina.
Good. Can you say Muannas?
Yes.
Muannas, the feminine?
Yeah. The Rafa status will be Muslimatun, Muslimatani, Muslimatun. Nasab status Muslimatun, Muslimatan, Muslimataini, Muslimatin. Jar status Muslimatin, Muslimataini, Muslimatin.
Good.
and
Excellent.
past setup will be the same.
Yeah, good. Excellent. So anybody else can repeat
May I
this,
try?
please?
Muslimatun, muslimatani, muslimatun, muslimatuna. No, sorry. Muslimat, muslim,
Sister Rais.
muslimun, muslimatani, muslimuna.
No. Start again with masculine.
Oh, masculine. Okay. Muslimun, muslimani. Sorry. Muslimun, muslimani, muslimuna.
Yeah.
Musliman, muslimaini, muslimina.
Yeah.
Muslimin, jar, muslimin, muslimaini, muslimina.
Good.
Very
Excellent. Next one is Muannas.
Muannas is muslimatun, muslimatani, muslimatun.
Nasab. Yeah.
Nasab is muslimatan, muslimataini, muslimatin.
Jar.
Jar is muslimatin, muslimataini, muslimatin.
Excellent. Very good.
Ustad, start from Sister Shamila, I think. Sister Mariam, come forward, even if you...
Assalamualaikum.
Yeah.
Walaikum salam.
I'll try, inshallah. Muslimun, Muslimani, Muslimatun, Muslimani,
Muna.
Muslimuna, Musliman, Muslimaini, Muslimina, Muslimin, Muslimaini, Muslimina.
Good.
MashaAllah. Very good.
Feminine, Muslimatun, Muslimatani, Muslimatun, yeah. Muslimatan, Muslimataini, Muslimatin, Muslimatin, Muslimataini, Muslimatin.
Yeah.
MashaAllah. MashaAllah.
That was
Sister Mariam, Ustad.
Sister Maria. Give it a try, Sister. Alaikum salam.
Muslimun, Muslimani, Muslimuna. Musliman, Muslimaini, Muslimina. Muslimin, Muslimaini, Muslimina. Muslimatun, Muslimatani, Muslimatun. Muslimatan, Muslimataini, Muslimatin. Muslimatin, Muslimataini, Muslimatin.
Excellent. Very good. So, Brother Muhammad, have you said it already? Not Muhammad Dola. Is it Dola?
No, this is Sister Habiba.
Oh,
She has done it.
Habiba. Okay.
Sister Rumena, please.
Mena, okay.
I understood, but I haven't learned it yet.
Okay.
Give it a try. Even up correct is fine. Give it a try. It will be good. No, don't feel shy.
Oh, I haven't
It's only-
memorized it. I can't remember.
Uh,
She's new. She didn't memorize. That's why she is feeling shy.
Okay. What about Brother Dennis? Do you
Dennis,
want?
yeah.
Yes, Assalamu alaikum.
Alaikum salam.
Muslimun, Muslimani, Muslimuna.
Yes.
Musliman,
Yeah.
Muslimina, Muslimin, Mina.
Second one again. Musliman.
Nasr, Musliman,
Yeah.
Muslimini,
Muslimaini. Maini.
Yeah, Maini, Muslimain.
Then
Muslim-
last one is Muslimina.
Muslimina.
Muslimaini, Muslimina. Muslimaini, Muslimina. Muslimaini, Muslimina. And
Good.
then
Muslimani, Muslimina. Jar,
Good. Yeah.
Muslimin,
Yeah.
Muslimini,
Muslimaini.
Muslimin.
same. Maini, Mina. Same.
Maini, Mina.
Muslimaini,
Muslimaini,
Muslimaini, Muslimin.
Muslimaini, Muslimina.
So start this line again. Muslimin,
Muslimin,
Muslimi,
Muslimani,
Maini,
yeah,
no,
Muslimina.
Muslimina.
no, Muslimaini, Muslimina.
Okay. Muslimani, Muslimina.
MashaAllah.
Brother Dennis,
Yeah.
Brother Dennis, hear me. Singular, Muslimin, singular, Muslimin. Dual, Muslimaini. Dual is Muslimaini. And plural, Muslimina. Muslimina, plural. Okay?
Okay. Yes.
What about Muannas, the feminine?
Muannas, Muslimatun, Muslimatani, Muslimatun.
Matun. Stress, alif, matun. Yeah, next one, nasab.
Matun.
Yeah,
Nasab, Muslimatun.
Muslimat.
No, Muslimatan, Muslimataini, Muslimatin.
Good.
Good. Jar.
Jar, Muslimatin,
Yeah,
Muslimataini,
yeah.
Muslimatin.
Tin.
Muslimatin.
Yeah.
Ma,
Always remember for either muzakkar or muannas, when it comes to dual and plural, there is a similarity. They're both same for nasab and jar. Only the rafa is different. Okay? But anyway, you go through the PDF and try to memorize it because it's a must. If you don't memorize it, you will not be able to recognize the haraka or Iraab of the multiple words like this one. So that's why I was saying combination. Through the combination of letters, we identify number, singular, dual, and plural. Okay? You will have another lesson, of course. So, there's a dedicated lesson for that, but it's better to start memorizing now. Ustada Umara, can you go up a little bit for me, please? Good. Up a bit more. What about brother TJ? Did you want to say?
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Alaikum salam. Try, please.
Okay. Yeah. I think I will need some time more to
No
go over
problem.
the lesson.
No problem. No problem. The YouTube video is only 10 minutes long. If you play it a few times, you will get it. The next tip, it's a must. When Ustad says you have to memorize it, you can't memorize it unless you do two things. There is no other way. Otherwise, you'll forget. I'm telling you. You may just do this for a short period, but after that, you'll forget. This is something, it needs to be on your lip. You are closing your eyes. You can visualize the 3 rows and 4 columns. Rafa, Nasab, Jar. Muslimatun, Muslimatan, Muslimatin. Column by column, row by row. You have to just make it so fluent. You just, if you imagine, you can see on the second column this, third column this, fourth column this, on the first row this, second row this. This has to be like that. It has to be like that. Okay,
it's
if you do want to say
I will
anything,
definitely.
yeah,
I will
thank you.
try subsequently.
Yeah. Okay, inshallah.
Okay.
You want to say anything else? Yeah.
Yeah, and I wanted to, just give me 1 minute, please. Right. Has anybody's got question about the broken plural? Did you understand this?
Ustad, I'll cover that, inshallah.
Are you going to cover it? Okay. So I've got to just summarize it. The first lesson was lesson 9, which is 4 properties of noun, which is Iraab. Already Ustad mentioned to you how to identify, Iraabs with the last letter of Haraka. There's one important question. Last week we've already learned this on Monday. How many of you, if you can remember, how many properties of noun, and can you name them for me, please, quickly, one at a time? Brother Dennis, start from you.
The 8 properties.
No, 4 properties of noun.
I'm sorry. 4 properties of the noun.
Yeah.
Iraab, ITNG, type, number, and gender.
In Arabic version?
In Arabic, Iraab, Qasim,
Qasamun.
Qasamun,
Yeah. Adadun.
Adadun, and Jinsun.
Good, excellent. Next person, Shamila, please.
There are 4 properties: Iraab, Qasamun, Adadun, and Jinsun.
Good, excellent. Mariam. Mariam. Muhammad Dola, please, or Habib. Is it Habiba?
Yeah. Arab, Arabun, Qasamun, Adadun, and Jinsun. 4 properties is Arab is status, type is Qasamun, number is Adadun, and gender is Jinsun.
Excellent. Romana, please. Romana.
বলো কথা বলো সালাম
Okay, next Ustad. Yeah.
Rais, Sister Rais.
ITNG, I is Arab, T is type, N is number, G is for gender. Arab, status, Arab, and Khisam, Adad, and Jins.
Qasamun. Qasamun. Okay.
Qasam.
Yeah, mashallah. That's very, very good. I'd just like to touch on to the homework I gave you. Most of you've done excellent. 1 or 2 was wrong, but most of you done quite well, inshallah. It was a practice to find out if you know the Iraab's types and number and gender, right? But we've got a dedicated lesson for that, which is coming anyway, and we will talk about it, in future lessons. I'd like to now hand over to our Ustad Principal, Dr. Mahmoud, inshallah.
Yeah, Ustad Humaira, can you stop the screening, please?
I stopped sharing.
Yes, okay. Can you see my screen?
Not yet.
Yeah, we can.
We can. Okay, mashallah, good. What I will do, first of all, give you an idea, okay, between the difference between the sound and unbroken plural and the broken plural. Jamu Salim, Jamu Mukassar. Okay, now, can you see this is a Jamu Salim example? Why is it Jamu Salim? Salim means solid, sound, healthy. Broken is unhealthy. Okay, Muslimun, Muslimani, Muslimuna. Whatever changes happened in the dual and plural, the original word, which is Muslim, is intact. Can you see? Muslim is there, Muslim is there. Here Musliman, again, Muslim is there, Muslim is there, Muslim is there, Muslim is there. This is Muslimatun. Again, Muslim is intact, other things happen there. So that's why these are called Jamu Salim. The word, original word is intact, healthy, sound, solid. But if I show you, Kitabun means one book, and it is, look at the structure, Kitabun. And its plural is Kutubun. Is this structure still here, remaining, or is it broken?
It is
Tell me.
broken.
It's
It
broken.
Broken.
It is broken.
It was key there, and it is ku, broken at the beginning. Alas. Also different second letter and second letter. Okay? So kitabun, kutubun. Again, dual, it is a long one. We will not talk about it. You will know this later. So this is called broken. If I give you an example, Rasulun, one Rasul, one messenger, and then plural is Rusulun. Is this mukassar or mukassar? Is it broken or intact?
Broken.
It is broken. Ra has changed to Ru. So that's the main difference between Jamu Salim and Jamu Mukassar. So original structure will break. That's why it is broken. Ainun. Ainun plural is Ayunun. Is this intact or broken?
Broken.
Broken. Ainun, another one, fountain. One means eye, one means fountain. Same spelling for singular. Ainun, uyunun. Uyun, broken, correct?
Yeah.
Dinun, adyanun. Dinun, broken into adyanun. So that's what you need to remember, the difference between sound plural and broken plural. Is that understood?
Yes.
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 Alhamdulillah.
Now, one other thing you'll remember, this is how everybody memorizes this. Muslimun and Ustad and Ustada, both of them reminded you. I'm just telling you once more. When it is Rafa states ani added and una added, dual ani, una. This sound is very, very important. Do not forget that. Rafa, masculine, ani, una. Then mansub, nasab, aini, maini. So we call it aini. Aini and ina. Mina, so in short, ina. It is ina. So aini, ina. Aini, ina. If you learn like that, it will be very, very easy for you. One other way is, another way you have to also memorize. Rafa, nasab, jar. Muslimun, musliman, muslimin. Muslimani, muslimaini, muslimaini. Muslimuna, muslimina, muslimina. Ani, aini, aini. Una, ina, ina, una. You have to write it down on paper 5 times, 10 times, and say it loudly. It will be okay. You have to do this. It's boring. It's not interesting, but this is one of the fundamental pillar, foundation of Quranic grammar. There are many like this, which you have to memorize. Okay? And then here, what happens? Muslimatun, similarly, tun, tan, tin. Tani, tiny, tiny. Atun, atin, atin. But they are all atun, atin, atin. So tun, tan, tin. Tani, tiny, tiny. Atun, atin, atin. Okay, you have to know all this, right, left, top, bottom. Is that okay? You have to know. If you write it down, if you say it loudly, all will be in your control. No problem with that. Is that okay?
Yes.
Okay. So
Yes.
what I would try to do now, show some examples. Hopefully I can share my screen. Stop presenting and then try again. Let us see entire screen. I don't know. Chrome tab. Hopefully.
Are you sharing Quran?
Yes, I'm trying to. If I can. Can you see anything?
Yeah, but not the Quran. We can see your screen.
Quran you can't see?
No.
1 second.
We've got Al-Qur'an Institute website.
We got a website, yeah?
Yeah, we got the website. Yeah.
Can you not see Tanzil?
No. You're not sharing Tanzil. If you go into Tanzil, then it will pop up.
Yeah, I've got Tanzil.
But you are sharing the full window, the whole screen.
Mhm.
So what you're sharing is your computer screen, and I think your cursor is on Al-Quran. That's why it's showing. If you flick to Quran, it will come up.
1 second.
Whilst you're sharing, let me just talk to some of the students. I want to mention this to every one of you, the importance of learning the number, which is the Muslim chart. There you go. It's got Quran now. You see, doctor is going to show you some of them, and you have to now identify the singular, dual, and plurals Muslim chart. There's one here. You've just missed it. Ustad, can you hear me? Dr. Mahmoud, can you hear me? Hello? Can anyone hear me?
We can hear you.
Yes, we can hear you.
I think Dr. Mahmoud is either mute or he's not mute, but
Or
he can't hear us.
he is removed or something. One time it was showing he was removed.
Oh,
He may rejoin.
Can you hear me now?
Yeah, we can hear you now. Yeah.
Yes, yes.
You share the Quran Tanzim, but then we
You can
couldn't hear you.
see. You can see the Quran now.
No, yeah, we
Yes. Now.
Okay, let's try. Let us try. Okay, so I can you see Maradun here?
Maradun.
can. Ustad Mahmoud, why don't you go to Surah Azhab?
Okay, it's not.
Yes, I
see?
saw that. Maradun.
Can you see now?
Yes.
Okay, this is Maradun. Okay,
Yeah.
what is this? Tell me.
Yeah.
What is this is an ism, right?
Definite.
It's
It is
Rafa.
definite.
It is definite.
Yes.
Indefinite.
Tell me one, definite or indefinite?
Definite
It's,
because it has tanween.
No, it's indefinite.
Someone else?
Indefinite. Indefinite.
indefinite. Rafa.
Indefinite. Okay,
Indefinite.
Arabic name is
Nakira.
good.
Nakira.
Nakira.
Nakira, sorry.
What is the Iraab of that?
Maradun.
Is Rafa.
Marfu.
Rafa.
Rafa.
Sorry,
Rafa or marfu, right? Good. Can I, if I say its Iraab is Dhamma, is that correct?
One at a time. Brother Dennis.
If I say Maradun, its Iraab is Dhamma, is that correct?
Yes.
No, it's not. Because it is carrying Dhamma sign at the last letter, its Iraab is Marfu or Rafa.
Rafa.
You have, everybody has to know this. Okay? What is this?
Azabun.
Azabun.
That's
It's
indefinite.
Is
Rafa.
indefinite Rafa. Yeah.
and Rafa. And it is singular. And if it is masculine,
Yeah, it's
you know, Muslimatun, that ta marbuta is typically a sign of feminine. Okay? So no tar marbuta, most likely it is masculine. Okay?
Yes.
Now, look something like that. What is this? Tell me.
Now, Ustad, try that. Nahnu muslihun.
Which one?
On the same sentence. Nahnu muslihun.
Yes. Okay. Good. So tell me this one, please.
Is it? Yeah, muslihun. What is it?
It is.
Hello?
It
It is plural. Jama.
indefinite.
Is it Jamu Mukassar or Jamu Salim?
Jamu
Salim.
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 Yeah,
And
Jamu something.
what is the Iraab of that?
Rafa.
Rafa.
Are you sure?
Yeah. Una.
Okay. What is this then?
Al-mufsiduna.
It is
Musliduna. Muslimina. Muslimuna. Muslimuna.
Ruler.
plural.
It is plural.
Masculine.
Mm.
No.
Jamu Salim.
Is definite plural.
Definite ruler.
Jamu Salim and
Yes,
Rafa.
definite plural.
Okay, one at a time. Brother
It's in Raf.
Dennis. Okay, Brother Dennis, what did you say?
Definite plural. Rafa.
Good. Jamil?
It is Jamu Salim and Rafa and definite. Yeah.
Okay.
MashaAllah. What is this? Tell me. What is this? Muhtadina.
It is
Mariam, please.
It's plural. It's plural. Masculine
Nasab or jar?
and jar. Jar.
Okay, very good.
It
What-
could be nasab or jar, no?
Correct, correct,
How
correct.
can we tell it is? Yeah, we can't
Yeah.
tell definitely.
And why do you say jar? At what point will you say it's a
Oh
jar?
no. It's not jar. It has to be nasb because there's no, if I'm correct, there's no harf jar.
For mudaf ilayhi.
No.
Muslimun, Muslimani, Muslimuna, Musliman, Muslimaini, Muslimina. Hello.
So it has to be nasb.
Muhtadina, Muslimina. What is it?
Jar.
Nasab.
Either jar or nasab.
Or nasab.
Yeah.
Could be both.
Jar.
Okay. We will keep it like that. We will not identify whether jar or nasab, but it can be both. Okay. Let's look for a few more like this. Mufsiduna we have done. Fine. We go to the next page.
Yubsiruna, la yubsiruna.
Now, Ustad, this is verb, isn't it? Yeah.
Yeah.
Look for more. Bil kafirina. B plus al kafirina.
It's a plural.
It is plural.
It's jar.
Jar because
plural.
bil kafirina.
Okay, is it
Jar?
okay? Is it jar or
Masculine.
It's jar.
why?
It's jar and plural.
It's
and
jar.
masculine.
Okay. Now we got a question for you. If it's a jar, why do you say it is a jar? At what point do you start thinking it's a jar?
Eddie!
Because
It's
the
following
B
a
is
particle.
Yeah. It is definitely jar because
Harf jar.
harf jar is here. Harf jar
Yeah.
comes, it makes it mansub. I'm sorry, majroor. It
Good.
makes it majroor.
Yes.
MashaAllah.
Majroor jar. Very
You've
good.
done well. You've done well. Always
Okay.
think how when it starts, if it starts with a jar majroor, then this definitely a jar majroor, either plural or singular, plural or dual rather. Yeah.
Lil Kafirin.
What is this?
Lil Kafirin. That's jar, plural.
That's jar.
Jar.
Yeah, masculine.
Iraab jar, it's plural, and is it masculine or feminine?
Masculine.
Huh?
Masculine.
Masculine. If it was feminine, what would that be? Lil.
Taina.
No, kafiratina.
Kafiratin.
Tina.
Yeah.
Kafiratin.
Kafiratin. Yeah.
Ratin.
Feminine, yeah. It would be, yeah. It will have a tie in there. And what you say is jar, sister?
Yes. Why?
Because there's a Lee is a harf
Li
jar.
harf jar.
Good, excellent. Who was this? Who was this?
Shamila.
Shamila, good. You see, you're doing very well.
MashaAllah, good. Okay, now it is little hard, but one second. Little hard, but you already studied this. I want to hear.
Yeah.
How has it come to salihati? Salihati. Tell me.
You can
Because there is alif lam.
Yes,
Okay,
yes.
one second. You stay there. I will help you half. Salihun.
Yeah.
Muslimun. Salihun. Salihun. Salihane. Salihuna. Salihan. Salihaini. Salihina. Salihin. Salihaini. Salihina. Done. Masculine. Now,
This is feminine.
This is feminine. Hatin has become
Okay.
Hatin is plural.
One second. Because I helped up.
Okay.
You stop. Inshallah. You get it? I know. I can see the excitement. MashaAllah. So I'm just saying, from Salihun, we are moving into Salihatun. Now, this sister, is it Shamila?
Yes.
Take us through from Salihatun to this now, please.
It is
Salihatun.
Salihatun, Sali,
Saliha.
Taini.
No, Tane first.
Salihani,
And then Saliha.
Salihatun,
Salihatun, mashallah. Next, Rapa.
Salihatan,
Salihatan.
Salihatan, Salihataini, Salihatin.
Salihatin, good. And the last,
Salihatin, Salihataini, Salihatin.
Ustad,
Yes.
ask everybody to do this now.
Yeah, can you do that? Now, is it now, Sister
From Salihun, Ustad, male, female, both.
Yeah, Sister Jamil, is it jar or is it nasab or is it?
They can't say this at this stage, Ustad, because
Okay.
there's no hajjat there. Okay, fine.
Well,
Yeah, this is helping, Ustad. You just finish it.
Yeah.
From Salihatun, then they need to come here.
Brother Dennis, can you repeat it?
Try.
Right.
Salihatun, Salihatan, Salihatin,
Second one is Salihatani.
Salahatani,
Then Salihatun.
Salihatina,
No, 1 second. First row. Salihatun, then
Salihatun,
Yeah. Salihatan.
Salihatan,
Salihatani. Salihatani.
Salihatani,
Then
Salihatuna,
Salihatun.
Salihatun.
Good. Next line.
Salihatun.
Nasab. Next line. Nasab. Salihatan.
Salihatan, Salihatina, Satini,
Tiny.
Taini,
Then
Taini,
Yeah.
Salihatan, Tani,
Tani. Yeah.
no.
Salihatin,
Salihatan.
Salihatan, Salihataini,
Salihatin.
Yeah.
Salihatin,
And
Yeah.
last line. Jar. Salihatin.
Salihatin, Salihataini,
Good.
Yeah.
Salihatani,
No.
Salihatin.
Salihatin, Hatin,
No. Yeah. Salihatin.
Okay. The next person. Okay. Next person. Who would that be?
Somebody new.
Somebody new.
Somebody new on this stuff.
Is there Sister Habiba?
Yeah, I can tell that.
Yeah,
Yeah.
please.
Solihatun, Solihatani, Solihatun, Solihatan, Solihataini, Solihatin, Solihatin, Solihataini, Solihatin.
Good.
MashaAllah, Ustad. We will stop here.
Yeah.
They have done very, very well, and they need to just do this as you suggested, YouTube, and then memorizing it, saying it loudly, and writing. They have to complete this. Those who didn't participate, it's okay. But my dear brothers and sisters, okay? All the time you will be spending here in order to really make sure that it is properly utilized. At this step, you have to do this in the next 2 days, 48 hours, okay? You do this and inform our Ustad Muhammad on the chat box saying, I have done it, Ustad. What did you do? You have to write it 5 times, 6 times, and then at least 10, 20, 30 times you say it loudly, all done, right to left, top to bottom. Top to bottom is important as well. You know, Brother Dennis was struggling, the top to bottom will help you. Salihatun, Salihatin, salihatin. Salihatun, salihatin, salihatin. The male masculine one is salihuna, salihuna, salihina, salihina. So top to bottom, first column, second column, third column, memorize it, and right to left, memorize it. Everything will be okay. It's a matter of just half an hour, inshallah. Ustad, up to you.
Thank you. Thank you, Ustad. It was brilliant. Everybody, we're running out of time, but thank you for participating. Alhamdulillah, it was very good. I think interactive class was very good as well. And most of you have taken part in it. See, the beauty of learning this this Quranic Arabic language is that when you are in class, please try to interact. Even if you get it wrong, it doesn't matter, because if you make it wrong, you will learn it. But if you think you know it and you don't come forward, you maybe got the wrong impression or wrong, information. So you will never learn it. So this is the way to do it. And hopefully I will send some homework on the Muslim chart as well, so you can practice and again put it on the WhatsApp, and then I'll look at them for you. Until next lessons, I like to say Barakallahu fikum, Subhanallah bihamdi, Subhanaka Allahumma bihamdik, Ashhadu an la ilaha illa anta, Astaghfiruka wa atubu ilayk. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Walaikum assalam. Jazakallah khair.
Jazakallahu khair. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Ustad,
Ustad Humaira, are you still there?
I'm still there. Just wanted to know if there was anything that I needed to do, because I have another class tomorrow. So any feedback?
The feedback is brilliant, Ustada. That's for me. Absolutely brilliant, okay? And explanation was very clear. The only thing we had to do with Brother Muhammad is the memorization part. It's like repeating, as you know. If it's not done this way, then it becomes too hard for them.
As a homework, we can send 4 words in which they can make the Muslim chart and practice.
I think that would be very good.
Kafirun, Salihun, Katibun, and
some feminine as well, yes.
Yeah.
Too feminine. I think Ustad Muhammad, you will do that, yeah?
Yeah, I'll be sending some of them now.
Yes.
With that, like Kafirun, they can make the feminine chart Kafiratun. So
Yeah. That's right.
Yeah, I will do that. I will put it. I did the Iraab part of it on Monday or Tuesday rather. I shared that. Most of them, some of them they got it wrong, 1 or 2, but it's not important, because
it's not important, and you can't go through all the details for all the students. I think you keep it general, inshallah, mainly encouraging, and that's fine.
Yeah, the important thing is they're doing the homework, and I mean
engaging them.
Yeah, then these lessons it's going to be repeated again anyway. At that time, they will, whatever mistake they got, it will clear it.
Yeah.
Okay, Ustad. See you, inshallah, tomorrow. Assalamu alaikum.
Okay, well done. Assalamu alaikum. Ustad, I cannot see anything. When I share, I get lost between my Google Meet link and this shared Meet link. It's like...
Yeah, one of the unfortunate things with the Google Meet is that when you share a document, you can't see it. Well, you can see it, but you don't know whether it's been shared or not. You can see it because
then to come back to this link, which I have joined the class, somebody else's, I can't do that so far. So something I have to look at this myself. Okay, inshallah.
Yeah.
So all gone, I believe?
Yeah, all gone, yeah.
Okay. Take us, alhamdulillah. Follow is a class overall. মেমোরাইজেশন পার্টটা সবসময় তো সারি দিলে এই ক্লাসে যদি না হয় দেন গন
Yes, I think we've done well because we've
Yeah.
emphasized that they need to memorize it. And when I send the homework, I
Mm.
will also emphasize again that they must memorize it before the next lesson.
Yeah, আপনি নানি
Yeah.
আপনি তারারে এক সাইড 5টা ওয়ার্ড দিলাউকা আর কিছু দেওয়া লাগতো না ওগু যদি তারা করে ওগু যদি তারা শিখিলাই নানি আমরা জব ফাতলা হয়ে যাবো ফিউচারের লাগি
Yeah, yeah.
5টা ওয়ার্ড দিলাইবা আপনি কইবা মাসকুলিন করো ফেমিনিন করো আর এগুন তোর পুরা মুসলিম চার্টর প্যাটার্ন দিয়া আমার তুমি সাবমিট করো ঠান্ডা হয়ে যাবে।
Yeah, yeah. Inshallah.
এবং তারা কাম হয়ে যাবো আপনার একটা খেয়াল করেন যেন এই আপনি আপনারে আমি একটা 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 লাইভ শীট দিছিলাম স্টুডেন্ট হলোর হ্যাঁ বা আপনি ইয়ে করিল আপনি তো বাই নাও ইউ নো সাবিহা বেগম নামে একজন didn't join today ফারজানা নামে একজন didn't join today ওলা দেখি নানি একটু যদি ফলো করতে পারেন খুব ফায়দা হইব
Yeah, I think also, is it Afrin also didn't join today?
আফরিন ইজ হাবিবা
Oh,
Okay.
okay, okay.
হাবিবা দাওয়ালি কত নামে আইব দেখ মানে মোহাম্মদ দাওয়ালি আজকে কিতা আইছে ওটা
Dola.
দৌলা
Yeah,
so she is very good এটা আগে এটা করছে বুঝছেন নি
yeah, yeah.
এর লাগিও ঠিক আছে কিন্তু আপনি ওই যে সাবিহা কইছি ফারজানা কইছি শামিমা is very good she is participating as well and ও কয়জন দেখি আপনি দেখবার 4-5 জন আছে এই দেখিয়া যারা দেখছেন পয়লা দিন কিছু নাম এরা
Yeah.
একটু পার্সোনাল মেসেজ দিলেন যেন
Inshallah. Okay.
আমরা এরা তো নাম্বার তো কম টোটাল আমাদের 10 জন 12 জন মাত্র আর বাকি হইলা একটু সিনিয়র হল আসেন তো আইসন ঠিক আছে কিন্তু নয়াগুলারও একটু ট্রাই করা আর কি
জি, আমি মেসেজ দিম তারারে।
ইনশাআল্লাহ ওকে তে
আসসালামু আলাইকুম।
ওয়ালাইকুম আসসালাম ওয়া রাহমাতুল্লাহ Walaikum salam.
I have got two customers today.
Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah, one of them bought the annual 1,000. So now alhamdulillah actually profitable.
Alhamdulillah.
It's no loss.
MashaAllah, good.
listeners.